The ILW-East zone project is the first phase of a four-phase development of the ILW-East zone. There's a scarcity of available land within the site. It's around creating new land, new space to allow the new facilities that Sellafield need for the future. Ultimately, it provides that platform for LSS1, LSS2 and then future stores that will get developed in terms of the ILW-East zone.
The ILW project has been a massive undertaking in terms of the amount of material we've moved. There's been over 130,000 cube disposed of both off-site and on-site for future reuse. We used an MMP, which is a materials management plan, under the CLARE Definition of Waste Code of Practice, which allows reuse of material and stops it from being classified as waste. This is how we have sent 30,000 cube to Area D1, the engineered stockpile, just off-site. The fact that we are classifying material that's been excavated as not waste, earmarked for future decommissioning projects, is just a massive, it's good for the environment, but we don't want to be sending everything to landfill.
The overview of ILW is that it's preparing the land for future major projects on Sellafield. So the whole package is to clear the land so that we provide a level plateau at 29 metres above ordnance datum. It's taken the land down from a 36 metre point. It's then to prepare that ground, so we've had to cap the whole area so that it doesn't become just a big muddy field. We've also prepared a spine road that will take up the binder course and not put the tarmac on. And within that spine road, there's also some surface water drainage and some foul drainage for the future developments and major projects that will come up and utilise the area. There's also been a lot of work done on Street 120 to lower some services there and to realign the road so they can take the packages from the different facilities to deposit them in the major facilities that will be constructed on this ground in the future.
Working on ILW, I completed the graduate scheme where I received a 2-year programme. I studied civil engineering at uni. So when I started on PPP, I had sort of a theoretical background that I've gained through my studies. And now as I've progressed throughout PPP, I've been able to apply that and get sort of a hands-on experience working on ILW. And I found that really helpful to my development and also progressing as a civil engineer. I've learned so much about earthworks and drainage. I think being part of this project from pre-construction to completion has been really rewarding, especially early on in my career. I think there's quite a few things that we can be proud of. Getting the isolations has been quite a big challenge for us. Also, just time constraints, environmental constraints. Our surface water management has been a really good highlight of what we've achieved. And I think also our work on Bepps Cliff has been a really good, like a proud moment for this project. Yeah, I think our successes should be highlighted and we've done a really good job.
This is our first project in the facility in terms of the major civils aspect of Keltbray. We knew coming in here it was going to be quite challenging. I think what's been really helpful having PPP alongside us is we've been able to come in and they've been very open and helpful with getting us prepared for getting started. To have that support of coming in and making sure we can deliver effectively and safely and do things the way it's meant to be done. It's just been a collaborative effort all the way through, to be honest, which is quite refreshing.
On ILW, it's been particularly good because on some sites you go on, it's sort of us on one section, it's them on another, but on ILW they've sort of blended us in and it's worked.
Yeah, we're just all like one big team. Everybody's just mucking in together and it's just getting everybody involved and different people from different places. You come up with different ideas, so it can help the job along a lot.
There's a really strong team effort in terms of that collaboration across the lot partners, including Sellafield. So that worked really well in terms of getting the right skills and the right people in the right roles. In terms of the collaboration across the wider Sellafield. It required all the key parties involved, whether it was D1 being able to receive the material, the guys on the RBLA gate, the health physics monitors coming in, making sure we could take the materials. So it was a really, really good effort all around in terms of that collaboration there. Throughout the life of the project, there's been quite a significant amount of change, and that ability to adapt and meet those changes head on and deliver the programme and the project ahead of schedule, under budget, I think it's been a really fantastic achievement.